Hello everyone, this should be the final corrected version video for exam chapter 6. So, let's get started. I have my up. Okay. I have my A and I have my B. So we know our length is B minus A. I have 70 minus 40. So my width is 130. So it wants to know more than 60 minutes. I'm gonna draw my graph. 130. I have 40 right here. 70. That's my line. And then it asks for 60 to be right here. So everything more than 60 minutes. And then I'm going to find my area. So 130 times 70 minus 60. That's 10. So it can be that or 1/3 or decimal. It's really up to you how you like to do that. And then we want to do for 45 and 75. So we're just going to draw our little chart row graph. I have 40, I have 70 up in my line. And then I have 45 right here. And then I have to do 70 because 75 exceeds the limit. So nothing can go over our B. So this is 45. And then I'm gonna get our area. So minus 70, 45. I'm gonna 25. You can either do 25 over 30, or you can do like, which is the same as 0.33. And then we want to know their standard deviation. So first, our variance, so our variance is b minus a squared minus 12, and our O is just the square root of all of that. So our b was 70 minus 40 squared over 12. 40 squared, that's 900. And I have 75. And the square root of 75 is 8.66. And I didn't put it up here, but let's do this. Our expected is going to be a plus b over 2 is 40 plus 70 which is just 55. Since I'm just used to do all of those together. Okay. Now we're going to do some more z-scores. Z-score formula is always x minus our mean over our standard dev. And right now, our mean is 30 and our dev is 5. Okay. Our x is 28, so I'm going to do 28 minus 30 over 5. Negative 4. I'm going to draw that chart real quick. Here. And since this is just going to be, it just means it's going to be on the left side. Okay. So negative 0.4. We have a 0. 0.3446. This is equal to 0.3446. Okay, so now we're gonna do the next one. It's gonna be 27. Wait, no, 25. 25 minus 30 over 5. This is equal to negative 1. And when we draw the chart, negative 1. Since this is greater than, it's going to give us the right side. And this means we have to 1 minus our z. So now we're going to look for our z, and that's negative 1. Negative 1 is right here. 1587. 1587. That's 1587. This is our z-score, and now we have to subtract 1 minus 1587 will equal 8413. And it's gonna get a little confusing sometime, but this is just right here, and we want to what's a good color? I'm gonna do red. And we want to find this area, and that's why we just subtracted by 1. Okay, now I'm gonna do the between. So we have 32 minus our mean. Then we have this one also. And then this is going to help us find our z-score. Divided by 5. This will be 0.4. And then 38 minus 30. 1.6. So these are our z-scores. Zero, z, negative z. I have 0.4. Well, that's not negative. 0.4, 1.6. Okay, so 0.4 is 65, 54. 65, 54, and 1.6 is 94, 52. 94, 52. And the way I just look down, look to the left or to the right, and now we have to subtract it since we want to find in the between, because the 64 tells us this area and the 94 tells us this area, but we want to find the between. So now we have to subtract it all. It's going to be, that's a bad color. I'm going to just go back to that color. 94, 52 minus 65, 54. 94, 52, 65. And it gives us 28.98. And this is how you do this one. And then I'm going to show you how to do the next version B.